At first, launch the Settings app. Then, click on Apps from the left-hand side. Now tap on Apps and Features on the right-hand side. On the right-hand side, scroll down to find the Microsoft OneDrive app. Next, select the app. Then, tap on the three-dot menu beside the app and click on Uninstall to uninstall this application. Press the Windows key and type CMD. Then, right-click on the command prompt and click on Run as Administrator. At first, you have to kill the OneDrive.exe task. Paste this command and hit Enter. Task kill per f/im OneDrive.exe. Finally, you can uninstall the OneDrive from your C drive. Run this command and hit Enter. %systemroot syswow 64 OneDrive setup.exe/uninstall. Close the command prompt terminal. Open the Microsoft Store, then type OneDrive in the search box. Next, tap on OneDrive to access it. Then, tap on Get to get the app. Windows will now download and install OneDrive on your system. After that, close the store and open OneDrive. Now, log in with your account and check if this works. First, press the Windows key and type CMD. Then, right-click on the command prompt and tap on Run as Administrator. When the command prompt terminal appears with administrative rights, paste this line of code and hit Enter. This will reset the OneDrive on your computer to the default state. After that, execute this command in a similar way to start resyncing all your files on the OneDrive. At first, press the Windows key plus R keys together. Then, write CMD and press Ctrl plus Shift plus Enter to access the terminal. Now, to reset the OneDrive, type this command and hit Enter. After that, close the command prompt window. Launch Outlook and check whether this works. If you view Windows cannot find message, copy and paste the code given below in Run command once again. If you view Windows cannot find message, copy and paste the code given below in Run command once again. At first, click on the Windows icon and type CMD. Then, right-click on the command prompt and tap on Run as Administrator. Once the terminal appears, type this disk checking operation and hit Enter. Then, type Y and hit Enter to run the disk scanning tool while your computer restarts. CHKDSK now. Close the command prompt and restart your system. Allow Windows to check it. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.